Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World Channel. Well, in the last video that we had, we made fun out of the good harvest of this Japanese koi and goldfish right there at the mud pond. And we were too busy then, and we were actually surprised because I thought we can only make small harvest out of this Japanese koi and this goldfish. But what I thought was wrong, because we were able to harvest plenty of this fish, and this fish right now are in good shape and condition. They are now ready to be transported to other places, to our customers just within the peninsula. Oh, this is an emergency! Whew. And I'm so glad because this system is working good for us. From the mud pond, we're gonna put them in the conditioning tank, and from the conditioning tank, that's the time that we're gonna transfer them or transport them to our customers and be ready to be sold in the market. And some of this fish will be sold at the pet store. But then, our concentration for today's video is all about the harvest of our kids. Yes, today I was told that we're gonna harvest at least 50 of these kittens, these very small and cute rabbits. And I would like to add something more about the information that I gave you in our last video about the rabbits. Well, in our last video, I mentioned about the consistency in all aspects. We have to be consistent in the giving of food and also in the giving of the kind of food. What I mean is the brand that we are using. We cannot just shift